Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we want to share with you step-by-step options for creating a landing page. We want to go from something simple to something more complicated to something more fancy to something more straightforward. The idea is to share with you options so you can, create the perfect landing page for your business. The idea is to give you, all the options you can manage, and you can see how this, affects to the layout, how this affects to the design, the options you have. So the landing page is, you can create unlimited widgets, and you can define landing pages for each widget. The landing page, obviously, if you have the white label option set up, will be with your domain. The domain of the landing page will be linked to the white label domain. Let's go to the landing page section here. And in this section, you have the URL. This is for the link you are going to share. If you want to put something nice here, you can do it. Something like a booking, something like your business name, something like that. Then you have these two options. You can add the phone number and the location. If you add those options, that is going to be here. Address and telephone. Okay, we put it right in the description of the landing page. So this is for you to, if you want to put it, you don't need to put it. If you want to put it, you can put it here. Then you have two blocks of text. One is the legend, another is extra text. The legend is here. Is up here, is just, under the widget name. This is the widget name, this is the widget logo. So just right after that block, we show the legend. This can be anything you consider worth sharing. Let me put this. This is 100%. Obviously, consider mobile. Most users are going to see this on the mobile version. So just consider this as the default view. For your users, this will be something more like this. Okay. So this is going to be more like a default view. So this is for you to check, how this works. Then the image gallery. You can add an image gallery in the landing page. So this is for you to know. You can have different images, different photos about your business. So this goes here. Okay. There is a new section that is image gallery. Okay. You can add different photos for you to show to your clients, how this works. If you prefer a video, we can show a YouTube video. Okay, the same. This is optional. This is for you to define if you want to have, like a more motivational video, something that talks about your business. So image gallery or video are elements you can add into the landing page. Okay, obviously a video is always, something nice. It's something that showcase your business, is going to prove how this works. So this is for you to know. About the video, this is a question we have, sometimes. You only need to copy the code of the video. If let's take this video for example. You only need to copy this part. Okay, this is the code of the video. This is the part you need to copy to put it in your landing page. So let's go here. This is the code we need to copy. Okay, let me put it here. Did I copy? No, I did not copy this. So let me copy. I put it here. Okay, that's it. The code. You only need to put the code, not the URL. Okay, only the code for the video itself. Okay, that's it. So image gallery, YouTube, text, location. Okay, URL. This is the basic elements for your landing page. So and this is completely up to you. Do you like something like this, or we can go all the way to the simpler version, and we remove this, we remove this, we remove this, we remove this. We delete everything, and we have a simple, straightforward landing page. What converts better? What is better for your customers? What is better for your business? What is better for your, as usual, depends of, how engaged is your customer, how the ads are working for your campaign. I mean, everything depends on how you want to manage the funnel. I mean, the funnel can be very straightforward, or maybe you need more content for each business, not for each client to become, a lead, a prospect, to ask for information. Maybe you need to add a lot of content, to prove you are a good business. Maybe you need to add, video, address, location. I don't know. Maybe you need to add more elements to make the user, secure, comfortable, so they can, ask for more information. So this is for you to decide what you want to do, but we want to give you all the elements, that make sense for your landing page: image gallery, video, content, telephone, address, customized URL, and then obviously you have these templates that you can play around with them. The elements, let's say, are the same, but you can play around with the elements, in different layouts. So this is for you to choose which one you want to, choose. Default is the one we show in this video, but then you have alpha, bravo, gamma. I mean, there are plenty of templates for you to choose, and decide which one is the best, for your business. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.